In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unsupported image type error in Google Slides. This is a common issue that many users encounter, but the good news is it's often straightforward to resolve. Let's dive in and tackle this problem step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly insert your images into Google Slides without any hiccups. First, it's crucial to identify which image formats Google Slides supports. Generally, Google Slides works well with JPEG, PNG, and GIF image formats. If you find yourself dealing with an image that's in a different format, such as BMP or TIFF, this is likely why you're encountering the unsupported image type error. Google Slides simply doesn't recognize these formats, so the first step is to convert your image into a compatible format. Now, let's talk about how you can convert your image. If you have access to an image editing program, that's a great start. Programs like Photoshop, GIMP, or even the built-in Photos app on your computer can be very handy. Open your image in one of these applications and save it as a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file. This process is typically straightforward. In most editors, it involves selecting Save As or Export, and then choosing your desired format from a drop-down list. Maybe you don't have an image editor installed. No worries, the internet offers a plethora of online services that can help. With a quick search, you'll find numerous websites that allow you to upload your image and convert it to a supported format. Once again, choose JPEG, PNG, or GIF as your output format. These sites are often user-friendly, requiring just a few clicks to get the job done. Once your image is converted to the appropriate format, try inserting it into your Google Slides presentation once more. The chances are that this will resolve the issue. However, if you still experience problems, there could be a few other things to consider. The image file itself might be corrupted, so attempting to open it in a different program could reveal if that's the case. In some cases, the issue might not reside with the image format at all. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can sometimes work wonders. Browser-related problems can be pesky and unpredictable, so clearing them can reset settings and solve issues quietly occurring in the background. Additionally, trying a different browser entirely can help determine if the problem is browser-specific. With these tips and solutions, inserting images into Google Slides should become frustration-free. I hope you find this guide useful and that your presentations are more dynamic and visually appealing than ever before. Thanks for watching and happy creating!